She rides the fences on a trusty bay. She rides them even in the pouring rain. Every time he passes by, she gets that feeling deep inside. One day that man's gonna stray. Her man belongs to another girl. All the girls, they said she was a fool. The one thing that the folks don't like's a woman who's prepared to fight, especially if it's for a taken man. But their love forms strong on the dusty riverside. No one can see them way out there, beneath the river gum and the crimson of the sun. It's where the girl finally got her man. It had to happen one day just by chance. They were caught in full embrace and full romance. The man was riding high and hard. He didn't hear the neighbour's cart, nor did she care of consequence. His wife, she pulled the trigger slow and hard. A shot rang out but didn't go too far. As the red dust settled on the pair, the blood had flowed from her hair. I guess that's why she had to kill a man. But her love was lost on the dusty riverside. No one can see them way out there, beneath the river gum and the crimson of the sun. It's where the girl finally shot her man. The town, they searched for them to no avail. His wife, she cried as if she was betrayed. But little did they know that day their horses stood upon their graves as they drank the water from the riverbed. But their love was lost on the dusty riverside. No one can see them way out there, beneath the river gum and the crimson of the sun. It's where the girl finally got her man. Where the girl